everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this very beautiful heart-shaped lace. It's very beautiful. You can use this lace in anything, cushion trim, blanket trim, your any dress trim, and even your baby dress if you're making, you can make and put this trim. Anything you can use this. It's very beautiful. It's very simple, easy to make and quick. For this, just turn yarn over like this and make over here one slip knot. So I'll just make over here one slip knot, and after that 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. Then yarn over, and very first chain, if you see this, the very first chain, make over here one double crochet like this. So here, now I have this, and after that make 3 chain, 1 2 3. Then turn this like, and then yarn over 2 times, 1 time and then this 2 times. So I'm gonna make not double crochet, I'm gonna make triple crochet, triple half crochet. So it's gonna be like inside this round inside, and then make over here like 1 time, and this is 2 time. Now this is triple half crochet. Just leave this count like this. I'm not gonna make this again, so just gonna keep, and then 2 time again like this, and same
Audio Hub preview.
1 and 2. Now I have 3 count, so I made over here 2 triple half crochet. I'm gonna make total 7, so I have already 2, 5 time more.
Audio Hub preview.
Same, then again, so I make over here 3, 1 2,
Audio Hub
then
preview.
again, how many? 4 6 5 6, 3 more, 1 2. So total 7 time I'm making over here. I have 1 2 3 4 5, 2 more left.
Audio Hub preview.
One more left. Like this.
Audio
So
Hub
if you will count total, how many I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 7 triple half crochet I make over here, and 1 we make 3 chain over here. So total 8 count I have. Now after this, what we have to do, make this
Audio Hub
like
preview.
2 over here, and then now next this I'm gonna take 1 only, 1 this and 1 this. So 1, then next again 1 more, then next again 1 more, again 1 more, so again 1 more. That's it. So I have 2 left. Keep this 2, and after this
Preview.
keep 2 like, and turn this. I'm gonna turn like this. See, I just turn, and then same I will make 7 time, exactly like same we did over here. So say 7 time, 1
Audio Hub
2
Preview.
triple crochet we are making, triple half crochet. So yarn inside, same 1, and like this 2, and now I made 1 over here, so 6 time more. I'm gonna make 6 more time.
Audio Hub Preview.
Like this, keep it like, and then so how many I make? 1 2 3 4 more. Like this.
Audio Hub Preview.
Total 1 2 3 5 I make already. 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 more. For 2 more,
Audio Hub Preview.
what happened over here? Yeah, and then one last.
Audio Hub Preview.
Total 7 I have now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now same we will do. So 2, I'm gonna take these first 2 together, like if you see, yarn over and then take first 2 like this, then next 1
Audio
I'll take
Hub
1.
Preview.
I don't know what's happening here. So now I'm gonna, sorry, now I will take 1 like this, then 1 more, next
Audio Hub
like this,
Preview.
then next this, now next, exactly, now next, yes, and now we have 2 left. The before we had 2 and now 1 left, so all 3 together like this. Now you can see the shape, heart shape, and if you see, we are getting so cute small heart shape. And then after this I'm gonna make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, exactly like we did. So I'm gonna tell 1 time, 3 chain, we have 3 chain, and then yarn over, make double crochet very center of this heart. If you see, this is the center side, make double crochet like this, and then we'll make 3 chain,
Audio
1
Preview.
2 3 and turn, and then I'm gonna make triple half crochet. So 1 time, 2 time, and then make 7 time. We have to make 7 time this,
Audio
1
Hub
time, so
Preview.
keep it this count like, then again yarn over 2 time, making inside this, keep it like this, 2 time, it's done, keep it like this, So how many I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more. So I have now total 8 should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now I will make these two front two together, first two, then now one more from here, then next one more like this, then next one more, then next one more, then next one more. So now I have two left. Keep it like this two, and then we'll make this side. So I'm gonna turn this, and I will make inside this over here exactly like we did this side. So seven more time. 1 2. I'll make 7 times inside. So 1 time, and then yarn over 2 times, and make total 7 times. So how many I made already? I have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So one more time, last.
Audio Hub Preview.
That's it. So I made over here 7 times. Then now first two like this, then one, then one more, then one more this,
Audio Hub Preview.
then one more, then last one more. Exactly. So now we have 3 left last. These 2 and 1 this from here. So 3 together. That's it. And 3 chain, then 1 2 3. Now if you see your heart, very pretty, very beautiful heart. So this is, I just make like this. If you want, you can make this as long as you want. You can put this lace on anything